Hi, I'm Dr. Hamilton-Stubbs, and welcome to the YouTube channel for Dr. Hamilton-Stubbs. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to try to answer the question, how many hours of sleep do I need? Now, this question's been asked to me almost as long as I've been practicing sleep disorders medicine. And I think the reason it's coming around again is because I'm seeing that there's some doctors and other health professionals offering to train people to sleep less. They think that if you could sleep maybe 6 hours or 5 hours, then you would be more productive during the day and you would excel. Well, they are wrong. Sleep has been studied long enough now for us to know that most people need an average between 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Now, you need to figure out exactly where you fall in that. You might be a 7, 8, or 9 hour person. But when you sleep less than 7 hours a night for prolonged periods of time, this is called sleep deprivation, and it is very bad for your health. So research has moved away from asking the question of how many hours of sleep do you need to answering the question of what happens to your body when you don't get the hours of sleep that you need. And what we know is that sleep deprivation is very detrimental to your health. It affects your memory, causes you to have mood problems. It can destabilize your blood sugar. It affects your thyroid gland, your blood sugar, your cortisol, causes diabetes, heart attacks, strokes. It's associated with a decreased immune response and increased inflammation. It affects your leptin and ghrelin levels so that you are eating more than you really should and you can't stop because you don't have your leptin on board to tell you that you're full. It affects your mood and makes you grumpy and it increases depression. It causes you to lose muscle mass. If you don't sleep, you can't secrete growth hormone, and muscles are repaired during sleep when the growth hormone is active in your body. Sleep deprivation also causes you to age prematurely. So you don't want to lose your collagen and your elastin, but it also causes you to get puffiness and a sallow look. So to find out how many hours of sleep you need, you have to have about a 2-week period of time where you can go to bed at the same time every night, but then wake up when your body wakes up. You want to have blackout curtains at your windows, and if you don't want to do that, a black eye shield. And this is to keep the light or the street light or any light in your home from waking you up before your body would normally wake up. You also want to take out electronic devices, any kind of noisemaker, alarm clock, your television, and let your friends and family know that you are trying to wake up naturally. If you have pets, that could be a problem. You'll have to do something so that your pets aren't waking you up. But you want to be able to wake up spontaneously. Then you pick the time that you want to wake up. That you want to go to sleep. And that can be either 10, 11, 12, and then just sleep until you wake up. At the end of the period of time, a minimum of 10 days, but I say 12, so you can throw out the longest and the shortest hours of sleep and then average the remaining 10. And if you find that you're a 8-hour sleeper, those are the number of hours of sleep that you need to get consistently so that you can thrive. If you get enough sleep and you don't have sleep deprivation, research has also shown that you're more likely to get a promotion, and people who don't have sleep disorders and sleep deprivation tend to make more money than people who don't take care of their needs for sleep. If this video has been helpful, if you found something useful, please share the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like learning about sleep, I release new videos once a week, usually on Wednesday. Subscribe to the channel so you get the notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.